In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promo code in Mailchimp if you want to create a discount that connects directly to your store and can be used in your marketing. This is a simple process once you know where to look. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Mailchimp dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, since promo codes are tied to the store connected to that account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to let everything fully load so all menu options appear correctly. From the main Mailchimp dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Content section. Click on Content to expand or open it, and then select Promo Codes. This area is where Mailchimp lets you manage discount codes that are connected to your e-commerce setup. If this is your first time visiting this section, it may look fairly empty at first, and that's completely normal. Once you're in the promo codes area, click the Add Promo Code button. This will open the setup screen where you can create a new code. The purpose of this step is to tell Mailchimp exactly what kind of offer you want to make available to your customers. Next, select your connected e-commerce store from the drop-down menu. This is important because Mailchimp needs to know which store the promo code belongs to. If you have more than one store connected, double-check that you're choosing the correct one before continuing. Picking the right store ensures the discount can be applied properly and tracked accurately in your campaigns. After that, enter your specific discount code and fill in the details for the offer. This is where you define the code your customers will use, along with the settings associated with that promotion. As you enter the information, review it carefully for accuracy. A small typo in the code or setup details can lead to confusion later, especially if you plan to include the promo code in an email or automation. When everything looks correct, click Save. Mailchimp will then store the promo code and make it available for use with your connected store. After saving, it's a good idea to review the code in your promo codes list to confirm everything was added as expected. And that's it. You've successfully created a promo code